Just tried stuff today because I thought it might be a fun spring thing to try. So you start with some brie. Just layer it over like 1/2 of the tortilla. Did I say that right?
Mm-hmm.
How do you say it?
Tortilla.
I'm
just kidding. Right. Tortilla.
And just get them like that. Covering about half of it. To make your life easier, you could get some brie slices. This is brie cheese. Did I mention that?
I can't remember.
This is brie cheese, y'all. If you want to do what I'm doing, we'll see how this turns out. See if you want to do it, but you'll want to get brie cheese.
It's the fancy cheese.
Maybe not get it quite all the way at the edge, so when it melts, it doesn't, do that. Put the brie over there. Okay, then we're going to take some sliced peaches. Sadly, the store, I got these at Trader Joe's, they didn't have any fresh peaches, so I had to just get like the jarred ones. Yeah. I'm sure it'll still taste good, but I really wanted some fresh peaches to do this with. So if you are able to get fresh peaches, please do that and let me know how it is. Put that on there. Okay. Is it gonna be enough cheese is what I'm wondering. I think it will once it melts. Okay, once you have that on there, we're gonna take some honey and just drizzle it. I personally have never had a peach cheese quesadilla, but I actually think it might be pretty good. Okay, we're gonna fold this. Give it a good fold in half. Okay, before we transfer it though, we gotta butter this guy up that I've been warming up. So let's just get it nice and lathered up in butter here. Kind of use your own discretion how buttery you want your quesadilla to be. Pardon my reach. And then just throw this baby down. Let it cook for a minute. Good press. I personally like using butter, not oil, because I want that buttery taste in it. Oil, obviously, great option for frying as well, but for this one, I want some butter. All right, I'll give it a good flip. Whoop-ah! The perfect golden brown right there. Oops, that peach is trying to escape. That one did. All right, that'll be a nice buttery peach. All right, y'all. Let's get this thing back over the plate over here. Let's see how she's looking inside. Ooh. Do you like it with like the halves or the quarters?
I like I like pizza slices.
Ooh, cheese is poking out. Look at that cheese popping out. If y'all got if you got kiddos, they may love this. As long as you don't tell them it's fancy cheese.
There may be some fancy kids out
there. Or maybe you got some fancy kids that might like some brie. This might be too hot. Let's see. Oh no, it's good. Oh, look at that. Look at that melty goodness. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. I've never eaten this in my life. Oops. Here we go.
I mean, you seem to like it.
The more I eat it, the more I like it.